Hey guys, and welcome back to Epic Streaming. So I've been getting asked quite a few times, what happened to the Blamo repo? All of a sudden, there's no more repo, everything is blank. Well guys, don't fear, I've got a new URL for y'all to actually get through to the Blamo repo. Before we go through, let's go down to some new add-ons to actually stream your movies, TV shows, and live TV as well. So firstly, we're going to go into the all famous Neptune Rising. Even that is missing from most repositories now. So guys, I'm going to show you a working Neptune Rising. Have a look here. So you got your movies, your TV shows. Remember, this is a fork of Exodus as well. So we're going to go into movies. Just going to show you guys that it actually works. Let's go to year. (2017). Guys, remember, Kodi is under attack, so using a VPN will actually allow you to be safe when using Kodi. So my suggestion once again is IP vanish. I will leave a link in the description below. So as you see guys, it loads up quite fast. All your movies are here. So we're just going to open up one of the movies. Let's go to Thor. It does take some time to load. Some servers are slow, but as you see, it's actually loading the sources. It's scraping sources off the internet. So we've got 1080 sources, normal HD, and even SD sources. Guys, while I'm doing all these great videos and uploading for you, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification as well. Share and like the videos. Time to load all the sources now. Remember guys, these repos come and go. They pop up, they pop down, so there's always a break in Kodi repos. Thus you always need to do updates and keep watching my videos. So as we see, it's loaded here. So we're going to open the first stream, which is a normal HD stream, and we're going to wait for it to actually start up. Guys, this is just a tutorial, so I'm just showing you that it actually works, and it does take time to load. However, it's a working repo and add-on. There we have it guys, it's loaded. I'm gonna stop it there and exit. Okay, for my next add-on, which is something with a bit of live TV in it, so you can get your sports and live TV channels, we're gonna go to Shield Maiden. Guys, the original repo is actually not showing Shield Maiden in it, but I will show you how to actually get it. Due to copyright protection, I'm not going to go into the live TV add-on. I'm just going to show you that it actually opens up. So you got movies, TV shows, live TV and sports, documentaries. So we're just going to go into movies again. And there we have it. It opens up. New releases, one-click play, Reddit movies, upcoming movie trailers, trending movies, popular movies, and it goes on guys, it goes on. So you have a variety of stuff to actually pick from. So let's go down to new releases. And there we have it guys, it actually opens up quite fast, and as you see, The movies are actually here. So let's open up one of the movies. Let's try something that's new. Blockers. Just gonna wait a few seconds for it to actually load the stream and scrape the sources for us. And there we have it, guys. It's actually loading. Loads quite fast. It scrapes the sources quite fast. It's almost a 90% scraped. And there we have it, sir. So we're gonna try the first direct link server as well. Guys, remember to keep watching the video right to the end, where I will leave all these links in the description below. There we have it, guys. An HD stream, perfect and running. Gonna stop it there. Right, so now we come down to the good parts, guys. How do we actually load these repos? So we're gonna go back out. Right, firstly, you're gonna go to settings again. You're gonna click on file manager, and you're gonna add a source. So where it says none, you're gonna click there, and this is the new repo source for the Blamo repo, guys. So it's http://toptutorials.repo.co.uk. I will leave this link in the description below. So once you've done that, you're gonna click OK. And you're going to give it a name, guys. I've already added this as a source. I'm just going to cancel. I'm going to show you I have it here. So as you see, guys, there's it, toptutorialsrepo.co.uk/Kodi, and I've got it named here as well. So you're going to click OK, and you're going to go back out. You're going to click on add-ons. Then you're going to click on the box in the top left corner, and you're going to install from zip file. So whatever name you gave it, you can actually look for that. So I've called it top repo, and you're going to go down to repos. Alright, there's a whole lot of zip files here, guys, but we're looking for the Blamo zip file. As you scroll down, you'll come down to Blamo, and as you see it, repository.blamo. You're going to click on that, and you're going to wait for it to actually install. Once you get the box popping up in the top right corner, it'll start to install and load. As you see, add-on updated, guys. Then we're going to go to install from repository. Once we're there, we're going to go into the Blamo repo, and you're going to click on video add-ons. And there we have it, guys. Neptune Rising by Mr. Blamo. You click on that, and where mine says uninstall, yours will say install. You're going to click install there, and there you have it, guys. You just click open, and you're up and running. Right. Just going to go back again. Guys, for some of you asking about ARAGON Live, there's it here as well. It's also under the Blamo, so you can also install that add-on. The next add-on, guys, so we're still in the Blamo repo. We're going to go back out twice, and you're going to go to install from repository again. Then you're going to click on the Blamo repo, and you're going to click on add-on repository, guys. Remember, not video add-ons, add-on repository. And there you're going to meet and come up with Venom repository. You're going to install Venom repository. So where mine says uninstall, yours is going to say install. You're going to click that and let it install. Once installed, you're going to go back out, and you're going to go back out twice, and then you're going to go under video add-ons. So guys, as you see, everything is actually loaded. So we're going to go back out again, and once you come back out, you see Venom repository actually installed. Right, you're going to click on Venom repository, you're going to go to video add-ons, and there we have it guys, right on the top, Shield Maiden. Same process, click on it. Where mine says uninstall, yours is going to say install. So you're going to click on that and install it. And there we have it guys, Neptune Rising, Shield Maiden, add-ons ready to install. Remember to share, like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Guys, this will really help my channel, so go for it. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.